Okay, so hopefully you have some paper and pencil. Let's try converting US customary, practice it. A lot of these problems are going to be just like the ones on Khan Academy, so if you need to come back and preview these for later, you can do that. So first one, compare 4 feet and 41 inches. Go ahead and hit pause, try it on your own, and come back when you're ready for the answer. Okay, so for this one, again, I'm going to change them into the smaller unit, that's inches. I know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot, and they're telling me that they have 3 feet, and I need to know how many inches that is. So 1 times 3 is 3, so 12 times 3 is going to be 36 inches. So this is actually worth 36 inches. Okay, so when I look at that, and I can compare, 41 inches is definitely going to be the bigger unit. Okay, so go ahead, let's try the next one. Again, we're comparing 11 yards and 51 feet. Hit pause and try it, come back when you're ready for the answer. Okay, so again, for this one, feet is going to be my smaller unit. So 1 yard is 3 feet. Okay, and again, if we're not sure on those, remember we can look down here in the conversion chart and they'll tell us. And then I have 11 yards, so, and I want to know how many feet that is. So 1 times 11 is 11, so 3 times 11 is going to give me 33 feet. So this would be 33 feet. So I can easily compare the two now and see that 51 feet is going to be larger. Okay, for our next problem, they're going to give us one of those tables again. So it's ounces and pounds, and they tell us right off 1 pound is 16 ounces, and then 5 pounds and 144 ounces. Go ahead and try it, and come back when you're ready for the answer. Okay, so if 1 pound is 16 ounces, so 5 pounds is how many ounces? So 1 times 5 is 5, so 16 times 5. I can't do 16 times 5 in my head. I'm going to write it out real quick. 16 times 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 1 is 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's going to be 80 ounces in that one. And then I can use that same chart again. So 1 pound is 16 ounces. So 144 ounces is how many pounds? Well, you can divide that, 144 divided by 16, or if you like multiplication better, you can do your guess and check. So I'm going to try, if I know that 5 pounds is 80 ounces, I'm going to try 8 and say 8 times 6 is 48, 8 times 1 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so that's not quite big enough, so I'm going to try 9. So 16 times 9, 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 4 more, so that's 144. So that means it's 16 times 9 that I did down here. So 1 times 9 is going to give me 9 pounds. So that is going to complete my table right there. Okay, let's try to convert. I think we've got 2 more converting problems to practice, and then we'll be done with this one. So go ahead and try it. Okay, so 4 miles is how many yards? Well, I know, looking down here, 1 mile is 1,760 yards. So 4 miles then is going to be how much? Well, 1 times 4 is 4, so I need to do 1,760 times 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28, 29, 30. And 4 times 1 is 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's going to be 7,040 yards. Okay, one more. Let's try to compare these two. We've got 23 pints and 46 cups. We haven't done one like this before, so I'm going to go down here and I'm going to look down here. Pints and cups. There we go. We've got pints and cups right there. So try it and then come back when you're ready for the answer. All right, so they tell us 1 pint is 2 cups. So now 23 pints is how many cups? Well, 1 times 23 is 23, So 2 times 23 is going to be 46 cups. So 23 pints is 46 cups. So when we compare, at first you might say, ooh, what do? We gotta remember, we can just write that equal sign. All right, nice job with those. Come on back for some word problems when you're ready.